Hey everybody, Mike Whiteside here at Black Dog, and I got a DIY project that we're putting together that can be done in no time with very little setup. One tool you need, Phillips head screwdriver. Cell phone's pretty cool to have because that's what this is all about. This is basically a selfie platform, right? A lot of people are using these right now to do social distancing. You know, they're having Zoom everything. You know, you're gonna conference call with people, see people, so you can sit it down, get hands-free, and then talk in front of the camera, just like I'm doing now. All right, so what this is basically we're using 2 pieces of white oak apple crate wood, okay? This is the back, this is the base. We're using one old 3-inch barrel hinge, right? And then we have another piece of brass kitchen pull or a drawer pull. Right? And that's really all there is to it. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to show you how you put it together. First off, we're going to put the hinge in its designated place. Everything is already pre-drilled, ready to go. All right? And you can do this by hand. Put one screw in to hold it. Okay? And just screw it in by hand, real easy. Again, everything is pre-drilled. And technique for using the screwdriver, push down a little bit just so you make sure you engage the head of the screw and you don't have a breakout or a whatever they call it. We're using what we have here at Black Dog Salvage, so when we're out of one thing, we'll use another. Second step is going to be put the camera holder in its position, all right? And you'll have 3 screws to put that in. Now, like I said, we did all the work for you, all the hard work. And all you have to do is quick, easy steps like that. So there you are, everything's assembled and it goes to work. We added a adjustment on the back. So if you put your cell phone on, you get it on FaceTime or whatever you're using. And then you use your leveler in the back to adjust to whatever angle that you want, okay? Because everybody's gonna be sitting wherever they're gonna sit. You get whatever you want, and right now I'm right in square, perfect. So you can buy one of these vintage selfie stand kits for $48. Enjoy. Bye everybody.